You know how many times you have started something, you have decided that you will go to gym, or you have decided that you will start eating healthy, or you have decided that you will wake up early every single day from now on, but you haven't been able to do it. If this is constantly happening, it's probably not because of the actions. It's probably how you think and how your brain perceives the task that you wanted to do. So in this video, I will be discussing how you can trick your brain to do the mundane, boring things that are gonna make you successful. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. So, do you know why you want to wake up at 7 a.m. but you are not able to do it, no matter what you want? But if there is any function or you have any friend who is coming up, you will wake up, right? But when it comes to consistency, we cannot do this. Even the simplest task, no matter how many times we set up the alarm, we just keep on snoozing it. Now, why does this happen? Our brain understands everything as positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. So, in case your brain perceives waking up as a negative reinforcement, thinks that as a punishment, you will never be able to wake up consistently. See, one day you want to go to drop your parents, for example. It knows if your brain wakes up and drops your parents, they will love you. You will be able to show your respect towards them. So that is like a positive reinforcement. Their love, your respect, the hormones that you will release because you have done something for someone else, that acts as a positive reward, right? So your brain perceives that as reward. But when you decide that you will wake up early every single day at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m., your brain thinks that, like, why should I lose sleep? It's taking this as a punishment because the positive reinforcement there is the sleep. So it is thinking whether to go for a punishment or take the reward as sleep. Like, what do you think? It will take the reward, right? It will take the sleep. That's why it's not so easy to do the mundane, boring things, because there is no reward at the end of it. So what we can do is that we can create sleep as the negative reinforcement, and we can give something to the brain to show what the positive reward is. So for that, you should have a strong why. Okay, so you want to wake up early every single day at 5 a.m. But why? Why do you want that? Okay, maybe you want to go to gym, or maybe you want to work on your side hustle. To think of sleep as a negative thing, you have to tell your brain what will happen if it keeps on sleeping. So, for 365 days, if you wake up 2 hours early, what will happen is that you will have 730 hours extra that you will put in the gym, or that you will put in your side hustle, or maybe in your work, or whatever it is. You will have total 730 hours extra if you do it for 1 year. So even if you do 500 hours, then also it's a huge thing, right? Your brain needs to understand that it is losing on those 700 hours. So think, like, what will be the worst case scenario if you never wake up early? The worst case scenario is that you will be in this place, or worse, if you do not take any actions. But if you take the actions, you can be 700 times better than what you are today. And 700 times better is like huge. So your brain needs to understand that when it's sleeping, this is losing on 700 times what you have been. Once your brain understands it, then it will be very easy for you to wake up, because it knows what will happen if it doesn't wake up and what will happen if it does. By comparing that, your brain will understand that sleeping is the negative thing and waking up is the positive thing. And it's true for everything. Like, maybe you don't want to exercise. So what will be the worst thing that can happen if you don't exercise? Maybe your health will start deteriorating, and then you will don't have the energy to work on the things that you want. So if you have a strong why, then your brain will understand that, okay, that is the reason I need to do stuff. And you will see, you will be more and more consistent. Now for the second point, another thing is that whenever we are watching Netflix, or we are playing any games, or we are sleeping, the reward is instant. You get to see how the season ends. You get to see whether you win or lose in that game. You get to be well rested at that moment. So the rewards are very easy to get, right? But when you are being consistent, or when you are going to gym, or waking up early, or working on your side hustle, whatever be it, the reward is not instant. In fact, if you work out for a month, maybe you will see some changes, but you won't be seeing the major changes, or people won't be saying wow before 2 or 3 months, right? That's why your brain does not get the reward. So what you can do is that you can give yourself reward if you do something good. So maybe you want to go to gym for 5 days a week and you do, then give yourself something. Maybe if you go to 5 days a week in gym, only then you can get a cheat meal. Or maybe you can buy something for yourself, something simple. You can buy a coffee, or you can go out by yourself if you complete this. Or what I do with YouTube is that whenever I post a video, I treat myself with a coffee. So if I'm not posting the video, then I don't get a coffee and I become sad. So I think of this, no matter what, I have to post, or else I will miss out on my weekly coffee. Maybe you want to lose some kgs or gain some kgs. If you do accomplish that, maybe you will get a dress. Since I am the one that is giving me reward, so I look forward to that reward instead of waiting around when I will see the changes. But you have to select your reward how you want. If you're trying to lose weight and every time you go to gym you just say yourself that yes, I can have a treat, then it won't happen, right? Or you are working on saving money and you are just buying clothes, that also won't happen. So you have to select the reward that you want, but giving yourself reward is a very, very, very easy way to make your brain think, finally I am getting rewarded for the good things I am doing. This is how we can use negative and positive reinforcement to trick our brain into become more consistent, motivated and stay positive. So that's it for today, and thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you liked my video. And if you haven't checked out on how you can achieve all your goals in the last 6 months of 2024, check this out here, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you next week. Bye bye.